we have two complex numbers that we're going to write in trigonomic form. And we're going to write it as z sub 1 divided by z sub 2. I'm saying subscript for z sub 2. All right, and these are our two complex numbers here. And we want to write it in this form right here. So the first thing I have to do is find the magnitude of z sub 1. And that's just going to equal the square root. And you take your x value here, 1, plus your y value is negative 1. You square both of those. And that's going to equal square root of 2. All right. And then let's do the second one, our second complex number. And the magnitude of that is going to be negative 1 squared plus square root of 3 squared. That equals the square root of 4, so that equals 2. All right, so there's that. Now, since we have that, we're going to be able to divide that and get our r. This is going to equal your r. And we're just going to divide those. All right, now let's get our argument. So we're going to get the argument of z sub 1. All right, and that's just this formula here. So we're going to do inverse tan of y divided by x. So this is basically negative pi divided by 4, but we can call this 7 pi divided by 4 because we're going to divide that. It's really negative pi divided by 4 because you're doing inverses. All right, and then for our second argument, we're going to have inverse tan of square root of 3 divided by negative 1. And that's going to equal 2 pi divided by 3, which was really equal to negative pi divided by 3. All right, we're just adding our 2 pi to this. All right, now that we have that, let's see. Let's put it all together. So basically, when you're doing this one, we're going to first divide z sub 1 divided by z sub 2. This equals the magnitude of z sub 1 divided by z sub 2, which is just, you're just dividing these two, and you're going to get square root of 2 divided by 2. All right, so there's that part. And now let's do our argument part. Now your argument's a little different. So your argument of z sub 1 divided by z sub 2, that's subtraction. So you can write this as argument of z sub 1 minus your argument of z sub 2. So this is going to give you 7 pi divided by 4 minus 2 pi divided by 3. Common denominator is 12, so this is going to end up being 13 pi divided by 12. All right, so now when we write out it in this form, we're going to get z sub 1 divided by z sub 2 equals square root of 2 divided by 2 times cos of 13 pi divided by 12 plus I times sine of 13 pi divided by 12. And this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.